Hey guys, welcome to my first hair tutorial for 2021. Happy New Year guys. As you can see, my hair isn't really clean because I'm taking down some braids I had in, but I'm not going to get rid of these braids because I'm going to reuse them to achieve the look. Now this is a quick and easy Afro puff hair tutorial, so I'm just going to go in to part the front section of my hair. I want to separate it from the back so I can go in and style the front portion. So the first thing I'm going to do here is to part this little section of my hair. I'm going to do it on both sides of my head. Now what I like to do whenever I make my partings, I like to go in with my wax gel and just apply it to the parted section and retrace the part so the part can be as neat and tidy as possible. Now to achieve this look, I'm going to use some colored rubber bands that I have, but I'm only going to use the white bands from this package. So the first thing I'm going to do here is to make a triangular shape at the front of my head, making the base of the triangle face my forehead. I'm going to now apply my gel wax to the perimeter of this triangle and then go in with my old toothbrush just to sweep it in, and I'm going to secure that portion of my hair with my white rubber band. So now that the hair is secure, I'm going to part it into two or separate it into two and twist both sections of the hair. So I'm now going to part my hair down the middle. I'm going to retrace the parted section with my gel wax, and I'm going to also apply the gel wax to the perimeter of this parted section, sweep it in with my old toothbrush and secure it with my white rubber band. Now for this parted section, I'm only going to twist it into one. Then I'm going to go over to the other side of my hair and do the very same thing. So now I'm going to part another triangle at the top of my head, but this time the base of the triangle would face the back of my hair. Now I'm going to go in with this section of the hair and I'm going to take one of the twists at the front and I'm going to join it to this portion of my hair, and I'm going to also do it to the other section. So now the portion in the middle, I'm going to take the twist at the sides of my head and I'm going to join it to the portion in the middle. So now that I'm through, it's time to style the side pieces, and this is where my old braids come in. So my hair is pretty long, so I'm going to cut it into two, and as you can see the ends are blunt, so I'm just going to stretch it out a bit. I'm going to then separate the hair into three pieces large enough to fit the side of the hair that I'm going to do the braid pattern. Now as you can see, I'm applying my gel wax to the perimeter of this section, and I'm just going to go in first by starting off the braid pattern with my natural hair, and as I go along I'm going to add the braids into it. So I'm going to take the first piece of hair and I'm going to place it over my hand, place the first piece under my finger, braid that portion in, Then I take the other end and put it at the same side under my finger and braid that portion in. I'm going to continue this with the other 2 pieces of hair until I'm satisfied with how it looks. I'm gonna do the other side of my hair just the same. Voila. So guys, there you have it. Now I'm gonna go in with my beads. I have some brown beads here, dark brown and light brown. So I'm gonna start off with the light brown bead that I have, and I'm gonna add the dark brown ones to it. When I reach at the very end of the braid, I'm gonna flip the braid over the bead itself, and I'm gonna secure that portion with my black rubber band. So guys, now to style the back portion of my hair, I'm just gonna go in with my Eco Style gel. Now this Eco Style gel, I normally use it to get my curl patterns because I don't think it holds my hair as firm as I want it to, but it is what I have and it's what I'm gonna use. And to be honest, my puff is so large that you won't even see whether or not the back portion of my hair is laid. I'm gonna go in now with my hairband and secure this portion of my hair, and then I'm gonna use my natural hair to form a bun at the top and use one of the rubber band to secure the bun. So guys, now to go in with my Afro puff. Now this here comes with 2 clips. It has one at the front and another clip at the back. Guys, I have this Afro puff for over a year and I decided why not use it now. So I'm gonna place the first clip at the front of my bun and I'm gonna stick that in, and I'm gonna pull the hair over my bun and place the other clip behind my bun. Then there is a string that comes with the puff. I'm gonna pull onto that string just to let it cover my bun as tight as possible. Then I'm gonna take that string and put it around my hair. I'm gonna now go in with some hairpins just to secure the bun. I'm now going to go in with my got to be glue and my old toothbrush and lay my edges. This is the final look, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you love this hair tutorial, if you would rock this hairdo. Guys, please remember to thumbs up this video, post your comments and share. And if you're new to my channel, guys, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. As you can see, I am really feeling this hairdo and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next week for another video.